Hi, hello, namaskara. Welcome back, my YouTube fellow friends. It's been quite long. I have posted any video from past 2 to 3 months because of the tight schedule. Sorry for the inconvenience. So today I have one more product to be unboxed. This is Parani M10 Boom. This is the second version of M10. So I just bought it and I just wanted to use it on my new LS2 scoop helmet. So let's, rather wasting our time, let's unbox this and I'll show you how to install it onto the LS2 scoop helmet and show you in detail video. So let's unbox. We have a branding Parani motorcycle Bluetooth headset by the model number is M10 Boom by Senna. It's a version 2 and we have some barcodes and some technical stuff. It's the MRP 6,500 rupees. So these are the features we have: four-way intercom, so intercom up to 1 kilometers or 0.6 miles, so easy to operate. LCD screen, we have voice prompts, advanced noise control, and we have firmware upgradable. Okay, let's open this box. This looks amazing. Okay, nice button. We have volume up and down. We have LCD screen. We have a mic and speakers connector over here, and we have a charger which is a C type. So and we have a button, on and off button over here. Okay, let's keep it aside. So we have a lot of stuff. So we have paperwork. Okay, and we have so we have earphone and mic and speaker, mic and speaker, which is a micro USB connector. This is how it looks. Very nice quality actually. Of course, it's by Senna, right? And what else we get? So we have Velcro stickers, mounting brackets, which can be removable mounting brackets. Then we have a C-type charger. So then we have a permanent sticker, which is a locking system. Then we have mic air stopper, okay, which prevents the noise thing. We have two. That's good. These are the stuffs we are getting inside the box. Let's install this on my helmet and see how it sounds, how's the quality of it. Okay, let's get started. This is the helmet which I have. This helmet is name is LS2 Scoop. This is a modular helmet, so I can open this helmet and close it. This is a modular helmet, very nice. I have an unboxing video. I will leave this link in the description in the I button. Do check it out. Let me place the Bluetooth device first. I'll be using 3M tape. I won't go for the clamp. For always any 3M tape, we always have to eat it. Okay, so whenever we are removing this, okay, so we have to use the heater gun, so it heats up the glue and it provides a good sticky surface. Okay, so now installation of Bluetooth module is done. To install this, we have to remove all the paddings.
power on this device, we have to hold these two buttons for 2 or 3 seconds. So now it's turned on and it goes to directly to the pairing mode. And now let's pair the mobile phone and see how it sounds.
So to pair up the Parani to mobile phone, we have to hold these two buttons. The one is up one and this volume rocker one. We have to press it. Then it's on. It tells ready. Please keep holding like that. It will go into pairing mode. Phone pairing it will tell. Then it will go into the pairing mode. Then we have to click. We'll get Parani M10 version 2. Now allow access contact and call history and pair it. Now it's ready. Now let me play a music and see how it sounds. Let me go to the YouTube. NCS. I'll go to NCS. Let me play some song. I hope you guys can listen to the music. It's almost very loud. I think thumbs up. I hope the mic is capturing the volume. So this is how you gonna install it and how you gonna mount it on the helmet. Okay guys, now I'm on the real world test. I did it the first test was in my room. It was pretty loud even without wearing an helmet. Now I'm on road and I'm driving around like 60-70 kilometers per hour. It's really good. Let me see the full volume is there or not. Oh, it's telling 1 second. Okay, let me give full volume. Oh, nice. 70. I can still hear the volume. I can still hear the music. Okay, let me check with non-copyright songs. Okay, I'm playing the NCS soundtrack. Hopefully the mic is capturing the sound. Let me try 100 kilometers. Almost 95. The volume, the music is very loud. Oh, 100, very good sound. No wind noise. Very nice. Thumbs up, man, thumbs up. M10 is really awesome. The budget for the price, 6,500, it's giving very good features. But one thing I'm missing, that is the OK Google thing. The voice control thing is not available. That's the only factor I'm missing right now. Other than that, it's really good. The sound is absolutely superb. Okay, now let's head back to my editing room and let me edit this video and post it. See, the product is awesome. The Parani M10 Boom, the version 2. For the 6,500, it's very worth product. I recommend you guys can go for this product. If you love this video, don't forget to hit that like button and do write your comments on the comment section too. And if you love my video, don't forget to follow me, or don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and do follow me on my Instagram, that is ianjan.browdy and ianjan the magician. I have 2 accounts. Please follow me and support me. Thank you so much. We're gonna catch up in another video. Till then, bye bye and have a great life.